Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes. Don't mind the ink stains, I was fixing a printer. Anyway, let's create another version of a much-loved brush on this channel that you will surely love, the 3D Shadow Brush. It's a brush that gives a 3D effect with a built-in drop shadow that adds a distinct and time-saving effect to give your lettering art a bit more flair. So, let's get started and make this brush. Let's start with a square canvas. I've created a 3000 by 3000 template for this. Set the background to pure black, and draw with pure white. Using the monoline brush, let's draw a perfect circle like this. Tap on the Move tool, and with Uniform highlighted, reduce the size of the shape to this size and move it to the upper right corner. Then let's duplicate this shape, highlight the first layer, tap on the Move tool, and center the shape. Tap on the Adjustments tool and choose Gaussian Blur. Slide right until you reach 50%. These two layers will be your base brush shape, this being your shadow, so the farther away it is, the farther away the shadow will render. Just make sure that when you move the shadow shape, you keep the bounding box inside the canvas so you don't cut off the shadow. At this point, you can resize the shapes to create the shadow distance you prefer. When you have the base shape you like, let's duplicate this top shape, tap on it, and among the options, choose Invert. Hide the bottom two layers, create a new layer at the top, and clip it to the layer beneath. Changing our brush to the soft brush, let's create the 3D shape that follows the physics of the shadow placement. If your shadow is here, the light would be coming from up here. So let's start painting from up here with our brush opacity set lower, about 50%. Draw around the edge at this angle. Then for a bit of rim light, at the opposite angle as well. To finish the shape, let's tap up here a few times. Now we have our brush shapes. Let's first create our base brush by hiding the top two layers, revealing the bottom two layers, and swiping down with 3 fingers and choosing Copy All. Tap on the brush icon, choose a brush library, and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to 5%. In Stabilization, set your preferred streamline settings. In Shape, tap Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, then choose Paste. Tap Done twice to save shape. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Light Glaze. In Apple Pencil, set Tilt Angle to 0 degrees. Set Pressure Opacity to None. Finally, in Properties, set Brush Behavior Maximum Size to 150%. First brush done. Now let's go back to our canvas, hide these two layers, reveal the top two layers, and copy canvas. Let's duplicate the base brush we created, go into the brush settings, and let's make a few changes. Go into Shape, tap Edit beside Shape Source, and paste our new shape. In Color Dynamics, let's activate Dual Color Mode. Set Stroke Color Jitter Secondary Color to Max, Color Pressure Saturation, Brightness, and Secondary Color to Max as well, and Color Tilt Secondary Color to Max also. With our two brushes done, let's combine them by having this 3D shape highlighted first, then swiping right on the base shadow brush, and choose Combine. Let's use the brush by selecting a light color first, then choosing the dark color for the base shadow. Now, we can turn this into a taper brush by duplicating the brush, going to the brush settings, and setting the Apple Pencil pressure size value the same for both brushes. And there you go, your favorite 3D brush with a snazzy new shadow upgrade. Have fun creating with this one. Thank you all so much for the support. I know I haven't been posting regularly, but I'll do my best to get on a weekly brush tutorial schedule. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!